Hello and welcome. Do you find joy in the hum of a sewing machine, the feel of fabric gliding through your fingers, the transformation of simple materials into something beautiful? Dream of turning this passion into a home business? You're in the perfect place. Let's embark on this journey together. Establish a home-based sewing business that sparks joy. Let's begin. Before we even thread our needles, let's appreciate the skills you already possess. Do you grasp different sewing techniques from hems to embroidery? Does the feel of fabric spark familiarity? Your skills are the tools shaping your success. Even experienced seamstresses were once beginners. Embrace continuous learning. Consider courses to refine your craft. Let's create a blueprint for our business, a roadmap to guide us. What services will you provide? Alterations, custom creations, or special occasions? Define your ideal client. Children, professionals, or mending. Price your expertise fairly. Research local rates. Our tools. Just as a carpenter cherishes well-crafted chisels, we too must surround ourselves with equipment that sparks joy and empowers our creativity. A reliable sewing machine, like a trusted friend, will be your constant companion. Consider its features, stitch options, and how smoothly it handles various fabrics. A serger, while optional, can elevate your finishes, creating professional seams that inspire a quiet sense of pride. Don't forget the supporting cast, sharp scissors, accurate measuring tapes, a sturdy iron, and a dress form to bring your creations to life. Chapter 4. Creating your sewing sanctuary. Now let's create a dedicated space for our craft, a sanctuary where creativity can blossom. Choose a well-lit area, bathed in natural light if possible, to illuminate your work and inspire a sense of calm. Ensure proper ventilation to keep the air fresh and vibrant, allowing your creativity to flow freely. Organize your tools and supplies in a way that sparks joy and efficiency. Clear containers, labeled drawers, and pegboards can transform chaos into a haven of order, allowing you to find what you need with ease and grace. Chapter 5. The essentials, legal and administrative steps. Just as a well-constructed garment requires attention to detail, so too does the foundation of our business. Registering your business is like securing the buttons on a beautiful coat, ensuring its longevity and legitimacy. Opening a separate business bank account allows your finances to flow smoothly, like a well-stitched seam. Maintain meticulous records of your income and expenses, for in order there is peace of mind. And finally, consider business insurance. It's like a protective lining, offering peace of mind should unexpected challenges arise. Our creations are meant to be shared, to bring joy to others. Word of mouth, like a whisper of appreciation, is a powerful tool. Tell your friends, family, and neighbors about the joy you bring to sewing and alterations. In today's digital age, an online presence is essential, like a beautifully crafted shop window showcasing your unique talents to the world. Consider creating a website or social media profiles where you can display your work with pride. And don't underestimate the power of business cards and flyers, tangible reminders of your craft. As with any endeavor, understanding the financial aspect of our business is crucial. Let's take a moment to reflect on our startup costs. Have we factored in the cost of our equipment, our marketing efforts, and any legal fees? Just as a gardener tends to their seedlings, we must nurture our business with realistic financial projections. Research the average prices for alterations and custom work in your area, ensuring your pricing aligns with the value you provide. Remember, abundance is our birthright, and by valuing our skills, we invite prosperity into our lives. Congratulations! You've taken the first bold stitches in creating your home-based sewing and alterations business. Now, let those stitches form a tapestry of lasting success. Treat each client with kindness and respect, for they are entrusting you with their cherished garments. Just as a well-organized sewing box brings a sense of calm, efficient time management will be your ally. Set realistic deadlines, prioritize tasks, and allow yourself time for creative renewal. And remember, the world of fashion is ever evolving. Embrace the joy of continuous learning, exploring new trends, and expanding your repertoire. As we reach the final stitch of our journey together, I hope you feel accomplished and excited for the adventure ahead. Remember, success is not always a straight seam, but with each challenge, we grow and learn. If this video has inspired you, please give it a thumbs up and share it. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and inspiration. Until next time, may your stitches be straight and your creativity boundless.